Nowadays, there are two types of Muslim: full-time Muslim and part-time Muslim. Full-time Muslim, they are following Islam completely. They followed the command of Allah, udkhulu fi silmi kaffa. Enter into Islam completely. They are complete Muslim. When they think of doing any job, any action, any issues come in their life, they consult Sharia. They consult Quran and Sunnah. What Quran says regarding this, what Hadith says regarding this, what Sharia says regarding this. This is action of complete Muslim. This is the philosophy and view of complete Muslim. Whatever they do, they work in family, they work in office, they earn or they do any amal, everything they do according to Quran and Hadith, according to the ruling of Sharia. Every aspect of life are controlled and managed and commanded by Sharia. This is complete Muslim. And part-time Muslim sometimes comes to mosque. They join Jummah prayer or they join Eid prayer. They sometimes follow or read Quran and sometimes follow some command of Islam. They follow Islam personally in individual life. Sometimes they go for Hajj, they go for Umrah as well. But when they are working in office, they don't bother about Sharia. When they are earning, they are doing job, they are doing business, forget about Sharia. They never consult Sharia regarding their profession, regarding their earning, regarding their family life, regarding their political life. Particularly in terms of politics, a great number of Muslims nowadays, they never listen to Quran and Hadith. They never consult Sharia, what Sharia says about their practice of politics. They're secular in politics. That means their religion, their Islam does not come to politics. Their politics and political life is free from Sharia, free from Islam. Islam should not come to their politics. And their education is also free from Islam. What they learn, what they teach to their family, to their children, everything is free from Islam. These are part-time Muslim, and these Muslims have no way to enter into paradise. Because, number one, if they deny completely the rule of Islam in business, politics, education, etc., then they are no more Muslim. If they deny the rule of Islam or Islam is a complete code of life, then they are following the ruling of secularism. They are following the philosophy of secularism. تُؤْمِنُونَ بِبَعْضِ الْكِتَابِ وَتَكْفُرُونَ بِبَعْضِ. They believe in some aspect, like they believe in aqimus salah, but they don't believe in an yahkum bayna an-nas bima anzalallah, rule and govern people according to Sharia, according to what Allah has revealed, that is Quran and Hadith. If they follow Quran and Hadith in every aspect, every action of life, or if they believe that Quran has command and ruling, Hadith has command and ruling, Sharia or Islam has command and ruling in every aspect of life, then they're Muslim. But if they deny that, no, Islam is only to practice in mosque, Islam is only for saying salah, for some religious customs and activities and action, but for political action, we deny Islam or religion should not come to politics. If this is their belief, they are no more Muslim. If someone believes that Islam should be practiced in every aspect of life, similarly in individual, familial, as well as political life, they believe that. Some Muslims, they believe, but they can't practice. They fail to practice. They are fasik Muslim. They will go to Jahannam after a period of time, after their penalty is over. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala may forgive them and they may come back to Jannah. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq to be full-time Muslim, complete Muslim, not part-time, no partial Muslim. For complete Muslim, udkhulu fi silmi kaffa. Enter into Islam completely. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq to enter into Islam completely.